Okay guys, so today I want to tell you something about perspective. What is perspective? This means to create a 3D effect into a two-dimensional surface. Now, this is a two-dimensional surface. What you can see, it has only one dimension, length and breadth. Now to give a depth into this two-dimensional surface, that art is called as perspective. So I'll just give you example. Let's take example of a square. This is a square and this is supposed to be a two-dimensional object. It has only one dimension, that is length and width. Now if you want to convert this 2D object into 3D object, then we call it as a cube. This is a three-dimensional object. It has total 3 dimensions. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. Alright. The basic funda of perspective, what we are discussing about, is to create a 3D effect, to create a depth, and the basic fundamental of this exercise is to understand the things which are near, that is supposed to be big, they appears big, and the things which are far, they appears small. Like for example, if I ask you to make a cube, then generally how people make a cube? See, they make a line, again they make another line, then according to this line they make another parallel line, then according to this line they make another parallel line, then again vertical line, and parallel to this line they make another one line parallel, then according to this line they make another parallel line, then according to this another parallel line, and according to this another parallel line. So this is a cube which is supposed to be wrong. This is not the way how to make a cube. So the appropriate way to make a cube is, you have to understand the things which are near, that is supposed to be big, and the things which are far, that is supposed to be small. So we will assume like this is a cube and this side is near to my eyes. If this side is near to my eyes, then of course this side will be far. So if this side will be far, then this will be little bit smaller as compared to this one. The same thing is applicable here also. If this part is far, so it will be little bit smaller as compared to this one. Alright, and the same way is over here. If this part is near to me and this part is far, so this part will be smaller, this part will be bigger. So the appropriate way to make a cube is, make a line, and the line which is near to me, it will be little bit bigger like this. Then if you are meeting this line, and if you are meeting this line, then of course these two lines will not be parallel to each other. The same way, this is the line which is near to me, this is the line which is little bit far, so it will be small, and like this. If this is the line which is near to me, so this line will be little bit smaller because this is far, and join this. Alright, so these two lines, they are not parallel, they are converging. These two lines, they are not parallel, they are converging. And these two lines, they are not parallel, they are converging. So if we extend this line, and if we extend this line, after some time they are going to meet at one point. If we extend this line, after some time they will meet at this point. In fact, if we extend this line, this also will meet at this point only. Alright, in fact this will also meet over here. Alright, so this point, this is an imaginary point, and this point is supposed to be that point. Like after this nothing is visible, I mean everything vanishes after this point. That's why this point is called as vanishing point. Alright, so this concept of vanishing point, it is applicable in each and everything. Either it is a geometrical object or else it's an abstract. I will give you another example. Let's imagine a horizon. And imagine a railway line is coming like this. Just imagine a deep desert, and this is the horizon of the desert, and a railway line is going. But you can say that railway lines, they are parallel to each other. So you should make it like this. This is the horizon, and these are the railway lines which are parallel like this, and these are the partitions of the railway line. Anybody can say like this, it should be like this, the drawing should be like this. Why it is like this? It is like this because we have to create a depth, that is a 3D effect. So that, as we have discussed, like things which are near, that is supposed to be big. This is near, that is supposed to be big. Things which are far, that is small. And further far, little bit more smaller, more smaller, more smaller, more smaller, more smaller, and to the extent it converges to a point, and this point is called as vanishing point. Alright, just imagine there is a railway signal which is near to me on the side of this railway line, another railway signal which is little bit ahead, that will be little bit smaller, and furthermore another railway signal which is little bit more far, that will be more smaller, and so on. But you can say that all the railway signals, they are of the same size. Of course they are of the same size, but still, as we have discussed, the things which are near, that is supposed to be big, things which are near, that is supposed to be big, far, that is small, far, that is more small, and so on. In fact, if we meet the lines of this object, it will also converge at this vanishing point only. Like whatsoever we are drawing, whatsoever, we have to assume that the things which are near, that is supposed to be big, and the things which are far, that is supposed to be small. Imagine you are going somewhere, you are driving the car, and you are passing through a village, you are passing through a flyover, yeah, going through a city. Then the things which are near to you, that means imagine like you are driving, so these are your hands. And these are the things which you will see first, that means near to you, that means the steering, and after that there will be the dashboard of the car, and these are the panels of the car. Here you will see the speedometers and all, where you can see all those meters which show speed and fuel and all, indicators. Here you will see all those music system or else air conditioner and different knobs and adjusters, and here little bit of this portion like this gear will be visible, and all those things which are nearby that you can see.